Now let's watch him get back up the hill.
Katie, you are
I only got Katie on the way up here.
It was like it hit me in the head and my shoulder.
I only got Katie on the way up here, just like Katie running at the screen.
Where do those skaters go?
I feel like dizzy. Oh my god, I broke.
You guys are all so tired. Down she goes.
Let's roll down and see who come here the fastest. Okay, okay. Ready? I'm out for this round, guys.
Okay, then both of you, can you scoot in so I can get you on screen?
I'm like I can make one.
I thought I was thinking something. I was like, wait, no, this way down here. I didn't know Andrew was going. Go this way, face me. Put your feet over there.
So if you do hit, you hit heads and it's not that hard. Why am I still holding the camera, guys?
Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
I got grass stains. I think I do too.
Are you still taping?
Yeah, it's been recording and you guys are like crazy.
I love you, Christina. I love you more, Katie.
Whatever.
Oh, and I roll back.
That one hurt a lot. Sorry, Danny.
You're cool.
You guys look all so tired. You're like, ugh.
Is it ready?
Yes, Christina.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh, hot. You're like, yeah.